can go for the inspire. That is called Cobra. C-O-B-R-A. If you are having pen and copy with you, just jot it down in capital letters C-O-B-R-A. Citizens, that's why the government of India is just sparking productive, because the progress of any nation depends on the education of the students, those who are studying in schools, preschools or middle schools. Clear? That's limited information on which I can trust. Clear? That's why you prefer to the Google, that Google have the web indexing in such a way that whatever they are displaying against the search you have made, that is a.
It was only there, and when Edge database was low, when the people using Edge became low because they were thinking that Edge is not that much great or it's not that worth it, then Google launched its search engine and people shifted to Google, and because of that shift, people are still now in Google because it is more reliable.
Now, that's the word. That's the words I want to find about this question. Clear? Next time when I will come, give me one more time. Next time when I will come, you would have a computer access. I will teach you how to get the things done with the help of data. That I told you, consumer online branding related activity. I will give you a raw data. With the help of raw data, we'll write a program, and with that program, we'll try to find out. एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. It's good. It's good. So